there are two questions that we really want to answer. The first one is the magnitude of gender gaps in different countries in two particular dimensions, numeracy skills and literacy skills. And the second question we pose is whether the extent to which these differences in gaps that we find are relevant to explain or help to explain gender gaps in wages for all these countries. The most interesting results we find are the following. First, when we look really at entrants into the labor market, individuals that are between 20 and 30 years old, we really find that young men perform much better than young women. In particular, the advantage of men with respect to women is more than 4%. With respect to literacy skills, we find there is no gaps at all. And this is also different from what we found from PISA studies when we really analyze boys and girls of 15 years old. There, we used to see that women used to perform better in literacy skills than boys. Well, that does seem to disappear completely by the age of 20, 30 years. If we really want to understand the contribution of these gaps in numeracy skills between men and women, we could really understand like 10% of these gender gaps that we observe in wages. So the main message of our study, I think, is the following. First, women have a problem with respect to numeracy skills with respect to men. And this problem gets bigger and bigger as we get older. That's first thing. Second, if we really want to address this problem, it's not enough if we just do something in the labor market, because these differences are really created much before.